Alright, I'm back. I finally got it. But I'm going to do it on video. Here, where were we? Alright, I had to end up doing it counterclockwise. And I started on the one that always wants to bind. And it's 3 back. Sucker's the one that always get up lodged in there, wouldn't let me do anything. So I'm trying to get something out of it first. You can tell there's a bunch of serrations, probably threading in there too, the way it's all catching. So I'll start where the problem's at and work out of that. It's like surprisingly aggravating. Looks like a sweet little Schlage cylinder just sitting there. Unassuming. Stuff. Sweet little thing you start putting your pick in there and then it's a butthole. Alright. Hands get sore. There's also some strong ass springs in this sucker, which is probably smart to use with serrations. Kind of take any attempt at finesse out of it. Just gotta manhandle them. That one might even be overset. Staring at the bit on the key because you can cover it up, so I'm not cheating. It's not helping me much. Boom, I made this pick for heavy lifting. It's the pick saver. I almost wouldn't be surprised if there was some counter milling going on in there. I'll probably reset everything. Let's go back. I feel like my damn vice is slipping too. You can hear the Rice Krispie crunch back there. Snap, crackle, and popping. Stay over that one. Keep that one happy. Alright. Like when you hear the magic happening in there. I'm getting frustrated. I'm over tensioning it. Alright, we're into a deep false there. Very. Also about to fall out of the vise. Start from the back. Try. Last tension, finesse them. See, a lock ain't like a woman or a kid. You gotta put a lot of time and effort into it. You gotta listen. You gotta be responsive. Oh, further. Oh, I'm on the way home. Man. All right. Crank down, make sure we don't lose it. I can feel the sucker about ready just to crack right open. There's one little serration in there, holding it all up. Oh, I might have lost all that right there. Oh man, it's a long video. I'm gonna try this. Try not lose what I got. And reset this sucker in the vise. I'm pretty sure I lost it all. Shit. Alright, if I don't pick it quick, this video is going to. Everything's set up. Just jiggle around what he's got in there. Make sure I got nothing hanging up. Alright, we'll try hard. Start with this one right here. Loves to bind up. I don't know what I'll find there. Torpedo and milling. Crazy serrations. Alright, we're getting something happening. Oh, we got some movement there into back into that hole that it falls in. I feel like pin number 6 has got something to do with the hold up. There we are. There's the open. Bears back, you butthole. I'll use my pin tray. Is it open? These tweezers. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Yeah, I can use that. I don't want to use this stuff. Alright. What's right there? Some kind of little design. Coke board. Oh shit, which way's the pins? Here we are. You can see that on camera. I hope y'all can see this. Let's see. Yeah, I can already see some hoodwinkery going on in there. One. Oh, my damn camera. Hold on, y'all. Be patient in this video. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna try and do it a different way. My worst video yet. Alright, one. Yeah, it's serrated on top. It's one of the things that's catching me on the shear line. It's kind of like spooled up on top. That one right there is devious. I know exactly what that does. It's real sharp, and that's very easy to catch in the shear line. Oh, 3. Couple serrations just to add to the aggravation. Same there. Makes it hard to feel anything in there too. Oh shit, also I'm seeing some, I got thread in every other chamber. Very curious about the springs. There's something about stiff springs and serrated pins that make you do a 20-minute video on a lock. Alright. Let's see. Can't see where the light is. 1, 3, and 5 are all serrated. Hold on, I think I'm seeing some evidence of. Yeah, seems like some countermilling going on too. Not there, but in here. There's a little hump. Sneaky bastards. Oh yeah, definitely countermilled. That's the one that finally clicked it loose for me too, is that back one. Alright, let's see what else is going on here. I know that 3 was against me the whole way. And 1 we got a spool butt with a thin bottom. Makes it more like kind of a, act like a gin bottle kind of. And that spring, yeah, it's a regular spring. I was just being a sissy. 2 sharp little serrated the spool with that little thing there. That's going to catch in serrations or below the shear line. Magnets. Alright, next one. Let's me the shape of that thing. That fucker seemed to get caught the most. Key pin's short too, so there's a long way to drive up. Seems like the same spring. There's another one of those sharp ass spools. What the hell do we have? Oh, what? There's a bunch of shit in there. Oh no, I did 2 at once, sorry. I'm going to guess that was 5 because 6, that is the perfect pin right there for a countermilled cylinder on the bottom. Like one of those little German hand grenades or something. That's the part right there that gets stuck in here and makes it a real aggravating pain. This lock took me a long time, but I can see why. There's some clever stuff in here. You can tell there's no long key pins with useless stuff. All this makes sense. And when you do have a long one, I like to put that on the top too to overset it easy and get that stuck upstairs. Oh yeah, let's look for one more thing. Is there anything done to the Bible? I don't think so. No, that's it. All in all, good damn lock. Very aggravating. That's what we want, right? Challenge. Make it fun. I'm going to write my name around the back of here, and I'm going to hand it on to somebody else. Mr. Bear's back. Thank you. And that's the video.